Hi and welcome to the Homekeeping channel. My name's Susan. Today I want to talk to you about home cleaning products. I don't know if you've been like myself lately and started to question the type of products that you actually use within your home. I mean, how many times have you actually used like a spray only to feel like you're kind of gassing yourself, you know, the cough, as soon as you sprayed it, you inhale some of those fumes. So it's led me down the path of having to change the products that I use within my home. So I wanted to share with you today 2 companies so you can do like I did with myself and make an informed decision. The first one we're going to start with is called Method. Method is a US-based company who produces eco-friendly, affordable products which are plant-based and biodegradable, tested with people and not on animals, and use 100% recyclable plastic. So the products that you can actually purchase from Method are the bathroom and kitchen cleaners. They do laundry products, which is fabric conditioner and detergent. You can also purchase flooring, which is vinyl and wood. And they also do hand soap and body wash gel. So where can you get these products from? You can buy directly from Method's website, or you can purchase from your local supermarket, Amazon and Homebase. However, I'm going to be honest here, if you're going to purchase from them, go to Amazon, as they are much cheaper. And further still, before you rush over there and purchase their products, I'm going to save you even more money. From purchasing them from the Amazon website, you can save even more money by signing up to the subscribe and save. Now moving on, let's go into the next company, which is called Smol, whose mission is to produce high-performing, eco-friendly cleaning products, in which they produce packaging which is 100% recyclable. Their products are concentrated and they are formulated to produce less chemicals, and they are on a mission to reduce that even further. And their products are also not tested on animals. So their products can only be bought directly from their website. And on their website, you can purchase their cleaning products, their dishwasher tablets, and their laundry capsules. If you're not ready to commit to this plan, you can try out their laundry detergent capsules or their dishwasher tabs. You just go in to their website and opt only for the free trial. You can either pick one or the other, or you can choose both. So which ones have you decided to go for? For me, I decided to go with Method, and my reason I decided to go with Method is because it's plant-based. And I did like the concept of Smol, but what I didn't like the fact of it is that the products are not chemical free. I do think Smol has a bit of a way to go in making sure that all their products are chemical free. At the moment, they have reduced the amount of chemicals they have in their product, but it's not 100%. They're doing a great job by reducing their carbon footprint by making sure that everything that they deliver is letterbox size, making it all compact and concentrated product. And all the packaging is all recyclable.